XAUUSD analysis for this week. My XAUUSD analysis for today. For those that love to trade gold, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I will ever ask you to do. Make my day. Just hit the like button. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. I enjoy reading your questions and tell me the things that you are struggling with so that I can make videos on them in the future. If you are looking for Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, let's get into today's video. My XAUUSD analysis for today, for this week, because somebody kept on asking, so I had to just go into the charts and see what I can see. As you can see, I am not in any trades at the moment. The partly is because if you watched my previous videos from last week, I closed those trades around here because when we reached the 1900 level, gold started playing around that level, and I usually get out of that scenario because a decision will need to be made in that scenario. Let's see if I can get a shape there. A decision will need to be made around this area, whether we are going to go up, whether we continue going this way, or we reverse and go this way. So a decision is yet to be made in that area. What's also complicating things for us a bit this week, or for maybe since last week, is the tensions in Ukraine, between Russia and Ukraine and NATO, and including the United States and stuff like that. And as you know, gold is one of those stores of value. So people will certainly be looking at gold if ever a war is going to break out between Russia and Ukraine. So it's one of those things that is also complicating things there. And if you can see also, let's do this. We are on the daily, we'll probably go to the weekly. If you can see, we are also at a critical level. That gray line that I just put there. See what happened last year around April. Let's go down to the daily. If we go down to the daily, things become a bit clearer. You see, we were here. It's actually around April, May, June. We were at this same level. And we decided to drop from there by about 2,260 pips. By the time we reached around July, August, we had dropped around 2,260 pips. So we've again come to that level. For this level to see that huge drop, it's significant. So we are now at that level again. So you can understand that there's going to be some time before a decision is going to be made, whether we go up or we go down. However, if you are a person who is looking for a trading signal or something like that, although I warn you that I usually enter the markets with two biases, I'm not usually biased in one direction. If you are that person who still says, can you show me something? There is something that is developed on gold. If you go to the daily time frame, we've got this channel, and by the rules of channel trading, we should probably see us coming back to retest this channel, or even go further to complete this touch or that touch. It's all possible. It's all possible. And this is long term. This is not going to just happen in a few hours. This is daily chart. It's not going to happen in a few minutes. You can see there's also potential that we can actually break through and continue going up. Like I said, we probably are going to see whether we are going to have a war in Ukraine or we are not going to have a war in Ukraine, which might mean either we break out if people start buying gold to hide their wealth, to protect their wealth, or if people don't care, they will say we have been this point before. Probably time we take a breather and let the price drop so that we can buy it at a good price there. But this is also a possibility. This is also a possibility. At the moment, though, because I love to trade these moves, you can see the moves that I love to trade about 1,270 pips in that move. This move probably 900 pips. This move was about 1,220 pips. And because these are the moves that I love. These are the moves that I love. 1,600 pips. These are the moves that I'm hunting with my trading style. 1,100 pips. Those are the moves that I'm trying to find in the markets by the style that I trade. But at the moment, whilst we wait for a decision to be made, this is actually also a good opportunity for scalpers, because I know you guys love scalping. I was looking at my stats the other day, and it showed me that many of you are landing on my channel, on this channel, via searching for scalping strategies. So I think I'll do other scalping strategies that just to show you, because I used to do it before I shifted to higher time frames. So while a decision is being made, it's still a good opportunity to do your scalping. For example, you can see that we've been in this range for days now, for I think at least for this week. So you could simply go this way, collect 100 pips, uh, go this way another 100, go that way another 100. It's just understanding which phase of the market that you are in. Here another 200 pips, this way 150 pips. The idea is just to not get caught up in this play. So you, if you are scalping, you can simply play around this zone and just scalp, but be careful that you do not sell when the market breaks out of there, that you do not buy when the market actually intends to go this way. So if you are good at scalping, it's a good scalping opportunity. It's a good scalping opportunity. But if you are more long term than me, I'd rather wait for a decision from this zone. We want to see where are we going to go from here. Okay, so leave your comments in the comment section below. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Have you do you have different thoughts? What are your thoughts on XAUUSD? Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.